Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to today's video. This is Marybeth Angelelli with Get Fearless Freedom. And as always, I'm excited to come back, continue to talk to you more, and share this amazing complete marketing system with you that I have been successfully using now, Get Fearless Freedom, for the past 4 years. I highly recommend it. For the purpose of today's video, we're going to be focusing in on and honing in on one of the features, which I believe to be the most important one, the lead capture page. And with any level that you join, whether it be the 200, the 500, or the 1000, this feature is included, giving you the ability and opportunity to be able to create unlimited, high response, high converting, simple lead capture pages any time of the day or night you need one, right on the fly, folks. So that's a huge benefit, not to mention cost savings, where you have to go out and locate and hire a web designer and pay hundreds of dollars each time that you need a custom capture page. Here, you can create a simple one, and these convert extremely well. Matter of fact, I've been successfully using this feature, again, for a little over 4 years with great results. I've always indicated that in my past videos that these capture pages have done amazing things for me. They have far exceeded my expectations and my results, allowing me to hit leaderboard status and rank advance. And I'm going to show you proof and documentation of that in today's video. So please stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. All right. And once you become part of Get Fearless Freedom, you're going to have the upper hand and the competitive advantage in the marketplace, folks. And that's exactly what you want, especially now more so than ever, because like they say, folks, timing is everything. This is the busy season. We are just a few short days away from the really busy season, okay? So you want to be fully prepared, fully equipped, so that you can hit the ground running and you can enjoy some of the many wonderful benefits and profits of the super busy fall season, folks, okay? So I just wanted to share that little tidbit of information with you. And it's systems like this that can truly put you on the map for whatever opportunity it is that you are involved with, okay? This is a universal, complete marketing system with a multitude of benefits, tools, resources, trainings, and software to help you to achieve great results too. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just dive right in now. I'm going to demo this and show you how simple it is. So right here under lead capture page, again, this is one of the most important features, I believe, because it's the origin of your traffic, which ultimately will become the origin of your success. And all you're going to be doing once you have everything set up, just driving traffic to one of your high converting lead capture pages that you create within Get Fearless Freedom, okay? So with that being said, folks, let's go to work and let's click on pages. You click on pages first, and all we're doing is point, click, and select. We're just using our mouse to point and click our way through this. There's so many different funnel builders out there, folks. Many of them are not newbie friendly, unfortunately, and they come with very stiff monthly fees. So for those who are technically challenged or become easily intimidated by these other more involved funnel builders, folks, you don't have to worry about that anymore. No worries, no stress. Come in here and you can create one of these or as many as you want any time of the day or night, right on the fly. And that is worth so much in and of itself, folks. Okay, so let's go to town, let's go to work, and let's get busy. So right here, choose a template header. There's 4 of them for you to choose from, and you can pick any one of these, and you can go in and you can edit and modify to your liking and to your specific needs, of course. Okay, so you choose a template header, and then you choose one of these form fields, whether you just want to do the email address only, which is what I always do, or it really comes down to personal choice. You can, of course, choose to go with first name and email, whatever you like, okay? And last but not least, you choose a button type. We have option 1, 2, or 3. I always like to go with this one. It served me very, very well. So let me show you how easy this is. First off, we're going to choose our template header. We're going to pick here and just click our mouse Okay, and we're going to go here and we're going to choose our form filled. We're going to pick this one and just hover over it and click the mouse. Then we're going to, last but not least, choose our button type, and we're going to go with this one. We're going to hover over it and we're going to click our mouse. And then we can see live our new creation right here, folks. Why aren't you making what you deserve? Your best email address. Okay, and then please show me more. So this very page here, I have been running with this now for the past several weeks, and I've been doing paid traffic as well as my free traffic as well. But I'm pleased to report and continue to report that this very page right here has probably one of the highest opt-in rates out there, folks. For me, I've experienced my personal results of 60 to 65, as high as 68% opt-in rate from cold paid traffic. And specifically, I'm making reference to Udemy, udemy.com, which is a platform where there's hundreds upon hundreds of solo ad providers that you can pick and choose from. And for example, what does that mean? The 60 to 65 to 68% opt-in rate? Well, say that you start and only buy 100 clicks. That means after those 100 clicks have been delivered by the vendor, the solo ad provider, you can expect anywhere from 60 to 65 to 68 opt-ins, okay? New subscribers coming through, giving you their best email address and being added to your email list over in Aweber. Folks, that is well above the industry average, okay? And it's this simple little page that is making all of that possible, folks. Super easy, super quick, and super simple. But you know what they say? Simple sells, okay? And I love this page. I love my results, and I just love the system, folks. So this is the page right here. And then all you do is, once you view it, you click on Save Capture Page. Again, point and click. Save Capture Page. Then what we do next, we go right here, okay, to create a campaign. Alrighty? So we go to create a campaign, and then we see we have a little video for everything, okay? So you just watch these little videos, and it's going to literally walk you through, okay? Step by step. Very easy, okay? Just like the other one, to create the page had a video, create the new campaign has a video, okay? And just about every single feature, tool that is included in this wonderful marketing system has one of these videos, okay? To make it very easy for you. So you just give it a name, a random one. Let's just do test project. Okay, and you can name this anything you want. Something that's going to be easily identifiable to the opportunity that you're creating it for, so that you can go back and do a simple recall, okay, when you need to find it, if you do, all right? So we're just going to call it test project, and then we go here and we select a page. So all of these are going to pull up, and this is the one that we just went in and selected or created. So whichever that might be, whether you're using a default or whether you're creating one, you go ahead and you find it and you hit select, and it's going to pull right in here for you. And then you select an Aweber list. So you have created a new email list for this specific page that you're using for a specific opportunity, and you just go to the drop down menu, and let's just choose the first one here. But you're going to be choosing the one that you created, again, the list specific for this page for your specific opportunity. Redirect is going to be a bridge page that you created, so let's just put this one in here, and you're going to need to go ahead and wipe out the HTTPS so that it pulls up. Okay, since we already have the HTTPS : / here, you don't put it here. You just go with Fear Bridge page and take it all the way to the end. So no spaces, make sure there's no space here, and you just literally copy and paste it, and you will be creating that within the bridge page creation feature right here. Very easy to do as well. There's instructions, and there's a simple video for that as well. So you've done that here. You go and you locate it, and you can copy and paste it onto a notepad, and then just easily stick it right in here, copy and paste. Select a category. You can select your category, or you can use the uncategorized for default purposes. You're the only one that's seeing this. And then all you do, folks, is hit Save Campaign. And you have successfully created a capture page, okay? And then you come in here and let's go ahead and view this, okay, by clicking campaigns and then go to categories, okay, and then click on uncategorized. And see, there it is, folks, campaign name that we just created just a few short minutes ago. You see how quick this is, folks? Like I said, you can create one of these on the fly any time of the day or night or hour that you need something like this created, folks, to take to the marketplace to drive traffic, to start building your email list and then taking a percentage of those new subscribers, those new opt-ins, and over time converting them into paid signups so you can start making money with whatever it is that you want to take to the marketplace to start earning money with, okay? So my primary focus of Get Fearless Freedom has been, is, and will continue to be Get Fearless Freedom, just because of the wonderful value and the wonderful results that I've been getting now consistently and successfully for the past 4 years. But I do use it for some other opportunities, which I'm going to demonstrate before this video concludes, because I want to show you more documentation and documented proof of what I've been saying, folks, how this system has helped me to easily and quickly rank, advance, and hit leaderboard status because of these simple pages. Okay, so there it is, folks. We go ahead and we click on it right here, and there's the page right here, and this is the link for the capture page that you will take and redirect to a GoDaddy domain name that you purchase, and then you'll be able to start tracking and seeing how many page views you get, your unique views, and your opt-ins. And this way you can evaluate your progress, your results, and your success. And if you're liking the numbers and the stats here, you can scale up over time, folks, okay? And then see, the list name is right here. And then this is where it's going to be redirected to this bridge page right here, folks, okay? And if you need to delete the campaign, you can always do so, all right? This is the capture page right here, okay? And see, there it is. This one, folks, works amazingly well. You can do it right from the template, and this has been averaging and giving me 60 to 65 to 68%. All right? So we're going to come right back here, and let me show you the little bridge page. This should hopefully pull up, and this is something I recently created. Okay? And there it is, right there, folks. I'm going to show you this here right now. Okay? So let's go here, and let me show you the actual page that I created. But see, this is the bridge page. Okay? Get paid to post ads, earn up to $300 per day, as simple as it gets. Then I customized the verbiage here, okay, for my specific opportunity. And then what I did here is gave a call to action to click the button below and watch the short video now. And that's exactly what you want to do. But I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you this page that I created specifically for this opportunity and what it's been able to do for me in a relatively short amount of time before I conclude today's video. So here is the simple capture page that is working amazingly well for me. But this again is the bridge page. So the capture page I show you right now redirects to this very bridge page. Okay? So let's go here. easydaily100.com. Okay? So that is the domain that I purchased over at GoDaddy for this specific copy and paste little program, folks. And I created this within GFF, and here's the verbiage. I did this one from scratch using one of the templates. You are about to discover a simple way to start getting $100 payments over and over again. And see, I'm just asking for an email address, and then here's the button that I pick, okay? So when somebody enters their email address, alrighty, again, this is where they are going to this bridge page that I created within Get Fearless Freedom. And there it is, folks. See, I took a picture of myself, okay? And you can either do a photo or you can do a short video. And then you do a heading, a subheading, and you can play around. There's a multitude of different backgrounds, color schemes, graphics. Here's the heading, here's the subheading. You can create a little bio, however you want to do this, folks, to customize it and personalize it. And this is the page, folks, that is a must, in my opinion, as a full-time marketer, folks, because this is what you want. You want to be able to get the upper hand and have the competitive advantage. And what you're doing in the process is building that all-important know, like, and trust within the eyes of your prospects. You give a simple little call to action. You can make certain words in bold. You can play around, folks, with this and just have a whole lot of fun in the process. And then see, click the button below and watch the short video. I have my name here. And then here's my contact information, which I believe in full transparency, folks. So if somebody really is interested, they want to test me out to make sure I'm the real deal, that I'm a real human, here's my cell phone. They can either text me or call me. And then when you click here to learn more, it's going to go right to my sales page. Okay, and this is the successful setup of the anatomy of a successful sales funnel. Very simple, folks. And see, there it goes to the sales page right there. Okay, and you can go ahead and have this redirected to the sales page of your choice. So let's go ahead. I promised you that I was going to show you before I concluded some documented proof to back this up. So we're going to go ahead and log in to copy and paste ads. Sorry, that is copyandpasteads.com. Okay, log in. All right. So that little creation that I just shared with you, simple capture page, redirecting to my customized bridge page, and ultimately to my sales page for copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. We're just going to go ahead and log in right here, right now for you, live in today's video, and click on login. And here is the dashboard, the CAPA copy and paste ads leaderboard. Let's just click on it. And look, folks, here I am currently, as of August 21st, 2023, I am currently ranked number 2 on the leaderboard, folks. I just showed you what I am using to achieve these results right here, folks. See, I can't make this up. This is me. This is the same little picture. See, Marybeth A. This is my username, and this is number 2 right here, folks, leaderboard. So I could not be more excited. I have some documentation to back up everything I just shared with you, why and how these pages work so well, yet they're very simple, and you can create them any time of the day or night very easily, very quickly, to position yourself for much continued success, and so you can start fulfilling your dreams and exceeding your expectations and your objectives, folks, by rank advancing and hitting leaderboard status too. So with that being said, folks, I just want to continue to thank you so much and share with you exactly how I'm doing it. And I invite you to come inside by going to bestincomechoice.com, which happens to be the page that I am using for Get Fearless Freedom. So when you click on the link below in the description, right at the very beginning, right at the top of the description, bestincomechoice.com. This is my Get Fearless Freedom page that I'm using for Get Fearless Freedom. So you're going to be redirected to my Get Fearless Freedom bridge page, okay? So again, the very same page that I shared with you that's working amazingly well. All you have to do is enter a good email address, click on here, and you'll be redirected right inside. You can study it out. Take a look at what is working for me across the board, folks. Okay, so bestincomechoice.com. Let's get you going inside right now. Take your time, and you can watch that new 7-minute video, which is pulling and converting amazingly well. And find out all the wonderful benefits that are highlighted within that new 7.5-minute Get Fearless Freedom video. So that's it, folks. That's pretty much a wrap. And I look forward to hopefully seeing you soon on the inside. We've got 2 awesome Facebook groups. This is just a great community. It's just a great group of like-minded people coming together to uplift, inspire, and lead others to success. And again, this is a wonderful, complete marketing system I've been using with great results, much continued success over the past 4 years. I just showed you a quick demo of a simple little funnel that I created for another simple little program, and it is working for me. As you can see, folks, currently I'm sitting at number 2, ranked number 2 on the leaderboard for a simple little program. Okay, so go ahead and go to bestincomechoice.com, and I'll see you on the inside. Talk to you soon. If you need to reach me, the best way to do that is text or call me. Okay? Until the next video, you take care and have a wonderful and prosperous marketing week. Talk to you soon.